these calloused hands and all this work. You sit up at the class, acting like we live forever, and I ain't skipping class. Well, I reckon we were heathens, but in her eyes we were saints. Now you're calling all the boys home. Heaven's angels carried her away, and I will follow you to Virgie, although it hurts me so. Lay to rest this mountain beauty that the Lord's called home, and I can see her up in glory, and I can see her through the pines. Back when all of us were trying to make sense of all these strings, I could see her in the corner, singing along to all the crazy dreams. And I will follow you to Virgie, although it hurts me so to lay to rest this mountain beauty that the Lord's called home, and I can see her up in glory, but I can see her through the pines. I will follow you to Virgie, 'cause that's what us boys are for. Help you out when you get weary, you can't go no more. Can't you see her up there, Cody? Can you see her through the pines, saying, boys, be good?